Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft error code drowned failed to log in. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down add or remove programs. Click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find Minecraft. Click on the three dots. Now click on advanced options. Scroll down, terminate. Once done, click on reset. Reset, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, open up Minecraft and it will ask you to log in. Just log back in and check if it helps. If that still won't work, close Minecraft and click on repair right here. Okay, once done, don't launch the Minecraft launcher yet. Go ahead and go to your taskbar right here at the bottom right click on date and time. Now click on adjust date and time. Now in here, make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically is toggled on. And once done, scroll down a bit, click on sync now. Once done, go to the top right, click on region. Scroll down, find country or region, and make sure that you select the region that you're currently in. Okay, once that's done, close this one. Now go ahead and go to your search bar, type down CMD, go to run as administrator. Now just go ahead and type down ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter, ipconfig space /release, hit enter, ipconfig space /renew, hit enter. Now just go ahead and type down net sh space winsock space reset. Now type in net sh space int space ip space reset. Okay, hit on enter. Once that's done, type down exit, enter. Now just go ahead and restart your computer, and after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.